Module 8, Printing an Excel Worksheet. Welcome to Module 8, the final module of our course. In this session, we'll cover how to properly prepare your Excel worksheet for printing. Printing is an essential part of using Excel, especially when you need to share hard copies of important documents like the child's growth and vaccination records based on the Road to Health booklet. We'll go over print preview, adjusting margins, scaling, orientation, and how to print specific ranges of data. Let's get started. Viewing your document in print preview. Before printing your worksheet, it's a good idea to check how it will look on paper using print preview. To view your worksheet in print preview, go to the File tab, also known as the Backstage view. Select Print from the menu. On the right-hand side, you'll see a print preview of your document. Here, you can review how your worksheet will appear on the page and ensure that no important data such as height and weight measurements or vaccination dates is cut off or misaligned. You can scroll through multiple pages if your worksheet spans more than one. Changing margins. Sometimes the default margins aren't suitable for your printout, especially if your data is too wide or too close to the page edges. You can easily adjust margins to fit more data on the page. To change margins, in the Print Preview screen, under the Settings section, click on the Margins drop-down. You can choose from normal, wide, or narrow margins. For more precise adjustments, select Custom Margins. Adjusting margins is useful when printing worksheets that need more space for data, such as detailed health records with multiple columns for dates, measurements, and vaccination information. Adjusting scaling and orientation. If your worksheet is too large to fit on a single page, you can use scaling to shrink or enlarge your data. To adjust scaling, in the Print Preview screen, click on the No Scaling drop-down. Choose options like Fit Sheet on one page, Fit all columns on one page, or Fit all rows on one page. This ensures your entire worksheet fits on the printed page without cutting off information. Changing orientation. In the Print Preview screen, click on the Portrait Orientation or Landscape Orientation button. Portrait orientation is vertical and is suitable for worksheets with more rows than columns. Landscape orientation is horizontal and is better for worksheets with many columns, like our health tracking sheet with multiple data points. For example, if your worksheet contains several columns for date, age, height, weight, and vaccinations, switching to landscape orientation will better display the data across the page. Setting worksheet margins. If you want more precise control over your page layout, you can adjust worksheet margins directly from the Page Layout tab. To set worksheet margins, go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click on Margins. Choose from preset options or select Custom Margins to set your own measurements. In the Page Setup dialog box, you can adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins. This gives you control over the distance between your data and the edges of the page, ensuring that all important information is clearly visible when printed. Working with Page Layout View. For a more detailed look at how your worksheet will appear when printed, you can switch to Page Layout View. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. In the Workbook Views group, click on Page Layout. In this view, you will see how your worksheet looks with headers, footers, and margins, where the page breaks will occur. You can also add headers or footers, such as the child's name or date of printing. Adjusting page breaks. While in Page Layout View, you can adjust page breaks by dragging the blue lines to include or exclude certain data from the page. This helps ensure everything looks correct before printing and that no data is split awkwardly between pages. Printing a specific range of cells. Sometimes you don't want to print the entire worksheet, just a specific range of data. To print a specific range of cells, select the cells you want to print. Click and drag to highlight the desired data range. Go to the Page Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click on Print Area. Select Set Print Area. Now, when you go to Print Preview, you'll see that only the selected cells will be printed. To clear the print area, go back to Print Area and select Clear Print Area. Adding headers and footers. Including headers and footers can make your printed document more informative. To add headers or footers, in the text group, click on Header and Footer. This will switch to Page Layout view, and you can click in the header or footer area to add text. Footer. You can add the page number or date, such as page 1 of 2 or printed on, insert date. Finalizing and printing your worksheet. Previewing the final document. Return to Print Preview by going to the File tab and selecting Print. Review each page to ensure all data is correctly displayed. Selecting the printer. Under the Printer section, choose the printer you will use. Printing the document. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click the Print button. You've learned how to prepare and print Excel worksheets, including viewing your document in Print Preview, adjusting margins, scaling, and orientation to ensure your data fits well on the page, printing specific ranges of data, which is useful when sharing particular health records, adding headers and footers for a professional touch. Now you're ready to create, edit, and print your Excel worksheets with confidence. Thank you for joining me in this Excel for ECD Educators course. I hope you found these modules helpful, and I wish you all the best in applying your new skills in the classroom and beyond.